Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fade the music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. You can find all the instruments you can use, you can select the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started fading our tracks. I'm going to open up any of the recording menus right here. You can open up any instrument. I'm just going to open up audio recorder. It all works the same. It's going to open up this recording menu. Very in the upper left corner, we can click on edit menu, and now it's going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. So guys, basically, if you want to fade out your music, this is what you have to do. Go ahead and select the instrument that you want to fade out, and after tapping on the instrument, it's going to open up this new menu where you can find all the options that you can access, and one of the options is called automation. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on automation, and guys, as you can see, now you can select the automation option right here, and you can select how loud it is, and you can go ahead and fade it out. So as you can see, you can manage your decibels, you can split it so that you can go ahead and create a fade effect and manage how loud it is and what options you want to add to get your desired fade effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.